Hey guys, press the bell icon and never miss a video from Aola DIY. Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing great. So today it's a very special video in which I would like to talk about how I link my products below my videos and how it helps in generating some revenue. So, before I get on to that, I would like to thank each one of you who was rooting for me for the Prima DT call. I finally made it, guys. My dream is fulfilled, and thank you so much for all your support and love. Now, back to the video topic on which I'm going to talk about. So, first, let's take an example of a video so that you have an idea of what I mean by linking. So here you can see my screen and I'm going to open up this video, and before it makes noise I will just mute it and let's wait, and we're going to skip. Okay, so this particular video is going on and I always get requests from people that why don't you link your products, because they want to know where I bought each and everything, my viewers, so that they can go ahead and buy it, and it helps them in creating, like it makes the process very easy, and it completely makes sense because sometimes when I watch tutorials I would like to know where I can get those products, and it is completely okay to ask for product list. So earlier what I used to do was that I used to link my products, just supposedly I like I'm buying this particular let's take gesso, right? So I'm going to buy a particular gesso and I'll go here and I'll just copy this and I'll just write it in the description below. Okay, so this one is formatted. I'm gonna talk about it later. So this is how I used to do it, but this was not generating any revenue for me. Okay, so when this was not generating any revenue for me, I realized that and a friend of mine, Tiffany, she introduced me to affiliate sales, and she told me that you can just join their affiliate program like scrapbook.com, Amazon, Blitsy, all these great websites from where I buy my craft supplies. They have affiliate program. So basically what that means is that if somebody buys a particular product, so if you click this link, and so this is an affiliate link. Okay, see here it says share a sale, like for a brief moment it said share a sale, so that is the affiliate program through which I have joined scrapbook.com's affiliation thingy. Okay, so if somebody goes here and buy this particular thing, I get a small commission out of it, which is like 5%. And like currently I'm not making much revenue, like probably in a month I make about $10, $15, that's the max. So it's not a lot of revenue because YouTube algorithms, they work in a different way, and these days I'm noticing my channel is not getting many views. It is getting subscribers but not many views. So when people will view my video, then they'll click the link and they might buy it, and then that's how I'll make some revenue out of it. So but I'm pretty sure it will pick up because I have so many things lined up, and you never know about YouTube which video becomes viral. For example, the purse which I uploaded has over 2 million views right now. So I mean, like I have full faith. And so now when it comes to affiliate sale, okay, what I was supposed to do was I was supposed to sign up for an account at this website called shareasale.com. Okay, so I was supposed to sign up here and I got an affiliate ID which I emailed scrapbook.com, and then they were able to add me to their affiliate program. So now when I open a product and I click link, okay, it gives me, okay, right now I am not logged in. So let me just log in. So that will give me my affiliate uh, link. Okay. So now when I click link, you can see here it says shareasale.com, and there's this particular link and it has my affiliate ID which keeps on tracking that if somebody is buying this particular product through that link on my YouTube channel. So I used to copy this and then I used to go to this website called URL. Basically, I used to just type URL shortener, and I used to go to this link. I used to type it like this and shorten URL. Okay, so it was not able to shorten URL for some reason. So let's go to some other website, and let's go to Bitly. Bitly is very popular, and let's see if it can shorten it. It usually is able to shorten it. See, so now I have a shortened URL, and then I used to go here and copy it and paste it here and format it, and the whole process was so long that at times I used to skip um, adding products, because I used to get lazy because the process is very long. So I have these notes, and over here I used to see, I'll just show you some notes where ignore all of that because I'm a computer science engineer. So see, I have these bit.ly links, and I used to keep track of these through notepads, and then I used to copy whatever I could, and I used to find it so inefficient, and I used to think that I'll build myself a software in which I will have the database and it will automatically generate whatever I want, formatted list for me. And obviously, making a software like that takes a lot of time, given that I have a 9 to 5 job. So I wanted, a third party to do this job for me. And, you know, uh, right when I was thinking about making a software like this, a company contacted me called LinkDeli.com, and they told me that I can generate lists using my affiliate ID. And I was very skeptical about it. They contacted me in March, and I think till April end I did not use their service. And like, I didn't want to go there and explore how to use the software and stuff. Like, I'm very lazy. But then one fine day I decided that I'll just go and see what it is. And guys, what I discovered was a pure treasure. I mean, it saved me so much of time. It was literally a jackpot. I felt like I have hit a jackpot. The software which I wanted to make on my own to do all the things was already there, and it was way better than I had imagined. So now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about that software and show you what it is. This is LinkDeli.com, and trust me guys, this is best thing which has happened to me when it comes to making my work easy. So what we are going to do is that we are going to log in and see what it offers. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in here. I already have an account, so I'm not going to make an account again. And what it does is basically link all my products, generate beautiful lists for me for my blog as well as my YouTube. And the best thing is I didn't have to reinvent the wheel, right? I mean, I was trying to make a software like this on my own, and the whole thing is already made up, and it's way better than what I had imagined. Uh, so now let's go ahead and make a product list. So I'm gonna do the first thing which I'll do is click on this button which is called create product list, and let's call it Prima Layout Mom. Okay, so there's just a name so that I can have it in my mind that I want it's just a name for reference, like this is for that particular layout or this layout, right? So now let's go ahead and add products. So when I do shops here and then I write gesso, let's write gesso. I'm sorry guys, my throat is a little bad, and I'm just going to click append. Now let's add flowers, and let's see. So currently the shop which is added here is scrapbook.com, because I have added that as my shop, but you can add whatever shops you want to, Blitsy, Simon Says Stamp, Amazon, whichever you want to. But this is where I shop the most, so that's how I go about it. So now as we have 3 products here, what we will do is click on this button, and this says web code. Okay, so there are 2 things: blog, YouTube, HTML. Okay, so supposedly you want to, if you want to basically use these for single individual products in your blog post, you can use these links. but I usually go with blog and YouTube. So first is YouTube, and this is how it comes, supplies, and that's how all my products are here. And if you see, so the first one is from Amazon. I think that is also added as a shop, but these two products, if you see, this one is Blitzy and this one is tuplotdesigns.com. These are all the shops which had these things. Okay, so if I go here and what I did was basically I just clicked shops and I searched for this particular thing called flowers, and everything popped up. Now if I just want scrapbook.com, I'm just going to click this, and then I will add I will write flowers. Okay, I forgot to mention that step, but yeah, we need to mention the shop where you want that particular product to be from, and I'll just append it. And if I go to web code now, it tells me the shop name as well as these particular link. So the link says this is already shortened, this already has the reference to my affiliate ID, so it's amazing, right? So I'm just going to copy it and show you here I'm going to just copy it and paste it over here, and what we will do is that we are going to go to this particular link. Let's copy this and let's go here and see here. So when you see, my product is already here and I came here through shareasale.com. So let me click it here, and then you will see that it says share a sale. So that had my affiliate ID. So that means the product where I'm going has the correct link. So it's fairly simple, right? And this is how I create all my lists. Now let's talk about the email integration. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to Blogger. And I get asked this question a lot, guys. So that is why for everyone, this is for you. And we're going to just do it and save it. And let's go to preview. Okay. And see, guys, all my products are here and it's already linked. And if you click this, I mean, this is in a preview mode, so nothing would work. But if I publish it and I just go here and I click it, it will take me to the product. See, this is so amazing, right? And it's so easy and so simple to use. And I get so for blog, a lot of people have asked me that how do you make these thumbnails and make it so pretty. Guys, I don't do it. It's LinkDeli which does the job. So this is it, and that is how I make my list. Now let's talk about more features of this particular website. Feature which this website offers is the template feature. So let's talk about that. So this layout which I'm creating, and this particular list which I'm creating, I feel that all the products which I use in this will be used again and again. Okay, so let's delete these and let's add some sensible products which I generally use always, right? So I'm gonna type brush and let's add some brushes. Okay, let's add this brush to it. Okay, now let's add some gloss gel. Okay, so these three products, I know I'm going to use them in each and every video. So what I can do is that set it as a template so that I don't have to add these products again and again to all the lists which I generate. So I just click here, convert Prima Layout Mom to a template, and I save it. So now this is set as a template. Now when I go to my lists, what I can do is basically the one in green means that is set as a template, and the one in gray means that is your regular list. So now let's create a product list, and here I can just mention that I want Prima Mom layout to be my basic template, and this is, let's call it test 2, and let's create it. So when you create it, the list is already pre-filled with the products which was there in that template, and now to this I can add more products. For example, I want to add stuff from my Havana collection. So I'll just go ahead and add it, and simply go ahead, web code, copy the email integration or the YouTube one, whichever I want. And guys, you don't need to have an affiliate ID, okay, to create these lists. There are people who don't want any monetary things. They just want to, create lists under their videos or their blogs. And you can absolutely do that with this website. There is no limitation. So now let's talk about another feature called bookmarklet. Okay, so this is a star feature and I'm going to show it what it is, and this is for all the websites which are not part of their database. Okay, so if I click this bookmarklet, okay, so what I will do is I will remove this LinkDeli which is already there, and now all I have to do is just go there and put it here. Okay, now LinkDeli is here. Now let's go ahead to a website which is not part of the database. So I know for sure Lindy's Gang is not part of the database. So I will go here and I will just add this product to that list. Okay, so what I will do is just click LinkDeli. Okay, and it says Om Papa Magical Shaker, and it will go basically to test 2 and add product and just close it. And once you're here, okay, you'll see this product is added to my list. So this one didn't had an affiliate ID, and this one was a product which was not part of the database. So it's so simple to add these products to these lists. And when you generate a web code in YouTube, you can actually see, the website is linnysgang.com and this is the link. So it's fairly very simple. All you need to is just get the hang of it, and this website is amazing, guys. You guys have to try it. So let me tell you about the creator of this website. So the one who has created it is basically better half of a very known crafter. Her name is Vicky. I'm going to link down her channel below, and she has a channel which has, I think, over 150,000 subscribers or maybe more. Actually, let me show you her channel. And I really love her channel, and I just can't pronounce her surname, so that is why I'm not taking the full name. And see, she's verified by YouTube, like she's so good. And so her husband created this amazing LinkDeli website, and they know what are the needs of crafters. So that's how they know, they speak our language. So that is why they were able to create a website which was completely in accordance to what we need. So this is what this is Vicky's channel, and I think you guys should go and subscribe it. She has amazing videos and I love her. Like, I don't know, ever since I started crafting, like, she has been there forever. So now this is all I have for LinkDeli. Now let me talk about some more features which are related to the stats of how my products and how my lists are performing. So the next thing which I want to talk about is Maria. She's my favorite from LinkDeli, and she would email you every week telling you about the stats of how your lists have performed. So it tells me that, last week I created 2 new lists and there were these many clicks, and these were from blog and these was from YouTube. So this gives me an idea, that my lists are actually performing and I'm not wasting my time or money at the service, right? I mean, because the LinkDeli service is costing me and I don't want to waste money. And this gives me an insight that what I'm doing is a good job and it is helping people. About LinkDeli,
So this is
you
all
all can go
about
and sign up.
LinkDeli, and
First 14
for
days
you
are
guys,
always
I
free.
do have a coupon
You can
code
look
which
around
will give
and
you the first month only
it
for
might be of use
$5.
to you.
And I really
And
hope
I
this
have a
video
lot
was
of
helpful
content
for you
coming up,
guys, and
and
it will
thanks for
help you in
LinkDeli. I'm
generating
able to
some
link
revenue through your
down all
YouTube,
the products for you
as well
guys
as
below,
making
and
the
that I
process
think
of
helps you
YouTube
all a lot.
lists very
It helps
easy.
me also.
And
So
thanks
thanks
so much,
guys for
guys. I
watching
do
this
have some
video. It
content
was pretty
coming up in the
elaborate,
following week,
and
so
have a
keep
wonderful
looking
day.
out and do
Bye.
check out the description box below for all the links. Thanks and bye.